In this video, I am going to teach you how to turn on toolbars and restore the menu bar in AutoCAD. This is useful if your workspace looks empty or you're missing common tools. Let's get started. First, open your AutoCAD and sign into your account. Make sure both the source and destination drawings are open. Next, click the gear icon or the settings button usually found at the bottom right corner. This will open the workspace settings panel. Then go to the Preferences section to manage interface options. This area lets you control what appears in your workspace. After that, you'll see the ribbon option. Just turn it on. This will bring back the toolbar and main menu display. Finally, click Done to apply the changes. Your toolbars and menu bar should now be restored and visible. And that's how you restore toolbars and the menu bar in AutoCAD. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials. See you next time!